Moving further, we have given you a small idea about commercialization, and we have shared with you various, what we can say, the activities or the pathways which you can explore for commercialization. Now, next, moving further, we have given you idea about the organizational activities and the where exactly IP is placed in total organizational structure. So to give you idea about this position of IP management, this and the interlinkages among various strategies, interlinkages among these departments, the various processes, we have shared this framework with you, that is a innovation process and IP management, how it is linked in the organization. Now this framework details, this gives you idea about the how exactly a research goes or a R&D activity goes within the organization.